books and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
Bear Investigations. It was a dark and stormy day. The poor, unsuspecting umbrella had no idea what was about to happen. The game was afoot. What was that noise? I must be hearing things. Or was I? And the storm finally passed, but a storm of a different kind was brewing. Listen, Bjorn, did you borrow my umbrella by any chance?
No, I didn't. Why would I? I have one. It's right there.
Dun, dun, dun.
It was just in this spot. It was right here. That's weird.
It gets weirder. Bjorn, my umbrella disappeared as well. One moment it was there, and the next it was gone.
That's incredible. Sounds like we have an umbrella snatcher on our hands.
Do you realize what this means?
Well, no.
I'll tell you what it means. Officer Bucky and Sherlock Bjorn are on the case. So our master detectives set out to crack the case of the century. Their first step, get a Groovatronic sleuthmobile. It's Detective-licious. With their eyes peeled as their tires squealed, our detectives got on their way to solve the crime and save the day. What's this? A witness? A suspect?
Franny Fox, someone has been stealing umbrellas. Your umbrella hasn't gone missing, has it?
No, mine's just fine.
Don't play innocent with us. We know everything.
You do? Awesome! Why is the sky blue and not pink?
I'll ask the questions here. Exactly where were you all night long, Miss Fox?
Home, in my bed.
Ha! I knew it! Spill it! Where did you hide the umbrellas? Start talking!
Bucky, I don't think you're detecting right. Why would Franny steal our umbrellas? We have to uncover the thief's tracks to find them.
The tracks! Yes! Officer Bucky wouldn't relax until he found the culprit's tracks. The umbrella was right here. The thief just snatched it up and then ran off. Where are his footprints?
Chicky, help us. Go! Find the tracks.
Chicky had quite a beak for crime. Got him? Good bird. Look, there were 2 thieves. The plot thickens.
Wait, look, there were 4 of them.
No, 6. There's a whole gang of thieves.
Bucky, wait.
And Bucky waited.
We're following the footprints we're making.
And just like that, their only lead vanished. Back to square one again. 1, we know our umbrellas were stolen by a thief. What's more, the criminal left no tracks. Thinking the thief used tunnels. Our umbrellas were stolen by moles, that's it!
Well, I'll be. Moles, wow. So how will we ever get our umbrellas back from them?
Elementary, my dear Bjorn. We build a mole trap and catch that umbrella-snatching mole. We just need to find some bait.
Find some bait?
Mm-hmm.
But we don't have any more umbrellas left. Moles took them.
Well, I've still got one.
And so Officer Bucky, armed with nothing but a silly hunch and a gigantic IQ, set about creating a trap for the mysterious umbrella snatcher. Justice with a side of genius. Here goes. We're about to catch a thief. He'll be tunneling out of the ground any second now. Any second now. Any second now, trust me. Then, swooping down from the sky, a plot twist.
Get it, Bucky! Trap it! Your trap thing totally didn't work.
It's for moles. Last time I checked, moles don't fly.
Come on, Buck! How can we catch it?
Let's go! We need to follow it! Hurry! Time for a little hot pursuit! You're not getting away!
It's flying towards the outer woods, where it's easy to hide!
Bjorn, take the wheel!
Why?
I've got a plan! He bravely risked it all for the safety of umbrellas everywhere! Oh, yeah!
Nice shot! Moles, huh?
It was a reasonable theory, given the evidence.
Aw, look at the cute baby birds.
Sure, they're cute, but those umbrellas are ours.
I don't mind. They're welcome to mine.
They're welcome to my umbrella, too.
All right, whatever. They clearly need it. They can have mine, too. This detective's going back to work. I'm still pretty certain that those moles are up to no good. A detective's work is never done.
The Invisible Bear.
Marvel at the genius at work.
Morning, Bucky.
Hi there. Hey, why is your scooter squeaking? I could look at it for you.
Thanks, but I think my scooter's running just fine.
All right.
Bucky, you should wash up. You're filthy.
Wash up again? I just washed up yesterday. I'm so tired of it. I need to invent something that lets me never wash again. Whoa, that's a mega brilliant idea. A mild detergent, some loofah seeds, fur softener, assorted potpourri, plus a mountain of bearish genius. Adds up to Bucky's Perma-Clean Potion. My days of washing up are done forever. Looks like it worked. All the dirt vanished. Now I'll just apply it everywhere. That way I'll stay clean forever. Perma-clean. Nobody will ever see another speck of dirt on me. Who could that be?
Hey, Bucky, we're on our way to play some tag. You want to come?
Bucky, where are you?
Hi, you guys.
Who said that?
Can I be it first?
It must be a ghost. Run for it!
Oh, good idea. Ghost tag. Sounds like fun. Let's play. I'm in. I'm a horribly scary ghost. I want to run my icy fingertips down your spine. Boogie, boogie. You can't hide from a ghost. Ah, my face is gone. Bjorn, help! A ghost erased my face.
Wait, what?
My beautiful face. My
Bucky?
twinkling eyes.
Is that you?
I think so. This is just bananas. I made my Perma-Clean Potion to make all the dirt vanish, but I guess I made everything else vanish too.
Can you make an unpotion to reverse things so your face comes back?
Geniusy thinking, Franny. I just need to do everything I did before, but backwards. Horibo assorted, softener fur, seeds loofah some, detergent mild up. Vaccine clean Perma Buckies. Done. Now we just need to wait 8 hours and 41 minutes.
Bucky, could you please stop wandering around the room? Because it's seriously spooky creepy.
Bucky, hey, what if I colored you? Then we could see you again.
You're full of great ideas today. Try to stay inside the lines.
You look fantastic. Good. Almost finished.
There's not enough green. Now a little touch up over here. Oh, that's nice. You are a work of art.
So, I look really good?
You're a neon dream.
I'm not sure this is the look for me. Chicky, what's wrong? It's me, Bucky! Chicky, just be careful. Catch him before he smashes everything.
Here, Chicky. Oh, well, I tried.
Where is he? Where could he have gone?
Come on out, you feathered sneak.
He's there. Chicky!
Franny, stop that bird! Come back here, you beaky little weirdo!
Chicky bird! We're not mad at you!
Speak for yourself!
Smooth move. Now it's broken.
Hey, Bucky, I think some of your dirt on Vanisher got on me.
Me as well. Hey, what's happening to us?
Guys, what's going on? You're vanishing! Hey, guys, where are you?
Ouch, Bucky! You stepped on my paw.
Really? I couldn't see you.
No worries. I couldn't see myself either. So, what do we do now?
Hey, Bucky, where'd you put those markers?
How long do we have to wait?
The unpotion should be ready in, about 8 hours and 27 minutes. Franny, can you tell me why my nose is green?
Your nose? Look at me. I'm at least 53% green.
We're sort of stuck with green. All my other color markers are pretty much out of ink.
It's fine. Let's just finish up.
Ooh, give me green thumbs. I love plants.
As night descends on a colorful day, we're hoping our faces will go away. It looks like we're all visible again. Get it? Looks like...
Visible? But we're all covered in marker ink.
Maybe I could invent something that would clean all this ink off.
That's how this mess started. We don't need an invention to get clean. We just need a little something called soap, all right?
Soap? But soap stings my twinkling eyes. Goal! Bucky Bear makes his move. Oh, yeah! Here it comes.
Bring it on!
Oh, it's on.
I can block anything.
Yeah? Block that. Whatever. Give me your best shot. Come on. No chance. This polar bear can't kick.
You were saying?
Whoa! Bounced off.
Aw.
Try to keep up. Hey!
Out of bounds. Move that ball down the field.
Never rest, never yield.
Dig down deep inside your soul and make that goal.
Here comes the thunder! Bucky's coming!
Blam! Whoa!
Franny? Franny, you might want to move.
Franny!
It's so pretty.
Franny!
Hey guys, can I play for a while, please?
But you don't know how to play.
Ooh, sure you can play. You can be on my team.
Just hold on, Bjorn. Why is Franny on your team instead of my team? Plus, that would be 2 against 1. That's not fair. So she ought to be on my team.
But Bucky, if she was on your team, it'd still be 2 against 1.
All right. Whichever of us makes the first goal, we'll be the one that get Franny on their team.
You're on. Let's play.
1 ball. 2 bears. Infinite action. An intense contest. The prize, having Franny on their team. Wait, guys. I'll get it. Bucky Bear retrieves the ball. And something else as well.
So what's with the wait?
Nothing. I just thought I might work out after a while.
Here it comes! Blam! North Pole goal! Huh? What just happened there? Stop! Oh!
Goal! All right, Franny, that's that. Guess you're on my team now.
Grrr. Bucky, you didn't play fair. You hid this magnet in the ball.
That's where my magnet was? Gosh, I've been looking for that for weeks.
Right, Bucky. In that case, this game's not finished.
But Bjorn, our ball just burst. What will we play with?
Pretty sure they made more than just the one.
2 bears, 1 ball. With legs?
Goal?
Yeah, right.
Chicky, I said for you to wait until I kicked.
How dare you, Bjorn? Fine, no more Mr. Nice Bear.
Oh, yeah? Ugh. What was that?
The Golomatic Geysertron 8 zillion, patent pending, all rights reserved, Bucky Bear Industries, LLC. You'll never get one past me.
Sorry, but that's just not true.
Guys, what you're doing doesn't look like any sport I've ever seen.
You're right, Franny. Bjorn, how about this? Whoever bounces the ball the longest is the winner.
Fair enough.
Hey, it's not fair. Chicky distracted me. Let me start over.
Nope, I'm the winner. Franny will be playing on my team.
2 bears, 1 fox.
Hey, Franny, heads up.
Goal! Hooray, goal!
Franny, you just scored on our goal.
Oops, sorry about that. It was an accident.
Franny, just stop. We're on the same team.
I got confused, Bjorn.
That's fine. How about you play goalie?
Pow! Bam! Zap!
Oops, another goal.
Ha! 10-0.
Bucky, to be fair, Maybe Franny should play on your team for a little while.
I'm just fine by myself.
Then how about this? Whichever of us wins the next match gets Franny on their team. Unless you're chicken.
Chicken? Me? It's on! You be the ref, Franny. One ball, two bears, infinite action. Dig down deep inside your soul and make that goal!
How do you play this game anyway?